it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Zendesk is a software company that was started in 2007 by these guys. And this is how big the company is now. That is like 1,000% increase or something. Zendesk builds business software for customer engagement. That does not sound very cool, but Zendesk is making it cool by making it better.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
Just working.
How's it going to customer service?
Actually having a little trouble with the technology here. That looks nice. Downloading your account history now.
Thanks for calling, Mom and Dad.
Hi. Can I just confirm your 16-digit account number, your date of birth, and my maiden name?
You know what, I'm going to put you on hold for just 1 sec.
That's when I got Zendesk for my customer service.
However customers reach out to you, email, phone, messenger, chat, Zendesk integrates it all. You have what's called an omni-channel solution.
Is it difficult to add chat and message to our Zendesk account?
No.
It's kind of like a secret recipe for offering better integrated customer service more efficiently without compromise. But we just call it Zendesk.